Alright, run it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm outfit.Jordan and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be giving you guys a review on a pair of shoes I actually picked up from StockX. But before we get straight into it, I really appreciate if you can hit that like button and subscribe button. Most importantly, comment down below, even though that's not the most important. The most important is to subscribe. Because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and right now I believe I'm at like 452. So hopefully you guys can join the family, enjoy the video, and let me know down below if you have any questions or whatnot. Let's get straight into the shoes. Okay guys, so we're gonna go over the box first, and then we're gonna go over the shoes. You can probably already tell what shoe this is just from the box. If not, I'll give you guys a little hint that right there, that gentleman is a pine green color. And you got the boxes a little broken up thanks to StockX, but I actually have another video talking about my experience with StockX. So the size tag is size 10. It says Air Jordan 4 Retro, white and pine green. All over is just a whole bunch of hits of Jordans all around the box in that pine green colorway. But we're not here to talk about the box, we're here to talk about the shoes. So the shoes are right here. The pine green 4s, a very classic colorway, super clean, super dope. But as you guys may already know from my last video, I actually have the white and purple pair. So it doesn't really make sense to have this pair, but I just felt like it was a dope pair that I needed to have, because when I was a kid back in middle school, me and my friends would be in computer class looking at these shoes right here and many more shoes that we couldn't get. So it was just basically a nostalgia pickup. I just wish this nostalgic pickup didn't cost me so much, but it is what it is. But I'm not gonna bore you with that life story or whatnot. We're gonna be talking about the shoes. So we're gonna talk about the bottom first. It has a green hit right here on the toe tab, a little small Jordan in that pine green colorway. Then moving up to the midsole, it has a green, pine green big dot, air bubble or air unit, whatever you want to call it. Then it has a little small hits of that pine green on the eyelets. Then moving on to the tongue, we actually have a smaller Jumpman right here, and on the bottom it says Flight. And then in the inside, you have a white Jumpman logo on a green footbed with a silk green colored tongue. But yeah, this shoe doesn't really have much going on, just super clean, super dope. But I forgot to tell you guys, these actually released, I say like 3 months ago, back in May, with a pack. I believe it was the orange pair, the red pair, this pair, and a purple pair. Did I say purple? I said purple already? Alright, so it was red, orange, green, and purple. Right there, all in that order. This shoe right here actually released overseas, I believe in China, I think so. So that's why the box actually said $250 for suggested retail. And I'm not really sure if they're actually gonna release these in the States or whatnot. But I feel like this is a shoe that you should pick up before it goes up in price, because right now I believe it's around the $260 range on StockX. I'm not really sure. I'll throw in a couple pictures on what's the prices. But before we get straight into on feet, like I said, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I can really appreciate if you guys can hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and join the family. Like I said, on the road to 1,000 subs. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And comment down below what you like. Did you actually pick up this colorway? Was this your favorite color? Which one you actually like the most? Did you like the orange, the red, the purple, or the green? Me personally, I feel like the red one was the best one, but I'm actually waiting for the Fire Red 4s, which is my favorite shoe of all time, to come out. I think it comes out late November or whatnot. So I feel like it'd be kind of dumb for me to get that. Most of my shoes are black and red. So now talking, let's get straight to the on feet. I'm Starboy Dez, and I'm out. Peace.